With such an amazing life and so many ideas and propositions, several of them contradictory, it would be easy to get lost in the search for Gandhian relevance. A lecturer, if wise, will choose a few themes only, as I will do, and seek guidance in the Mahatma's life and teachings that may help us today. Preferably, such themes should draw on the orator's own experience, so that speaker with the audience can alike share and meditate upon this great man, and endeavour to enlarge their own perceptions of the world we live in. So I have chosen 4 themes: women's rights, climate change, animal rights, and sex and human sexuality. Other speakers, other themes, but these will be mine. It's appropriate to begin my reflections on contemporary issues and Gandhian thought by looking, as the Consul General has essentially invited, to the question of women's rights. Women constitute half of humanity, and everywhere they suffer discrimination and disadvantage inflicted upon them by laws, customs and cultural rules that have overwhelmingly been made by men. Attention has been drawn to violence and discrimination against women in India by a terrible event that happened in Delhi on the 16th of December 2012. A young woman and her male companion boarded a bus in South Delhi only to be assaulted by the 5 passengers already on board. The woman was raped by the male passengers, her companion was knocked unconscious, her body was sexually invaded with a metal object that had been used to assault her friend, and eventually both victims were thrown out of the moving bus. A passer-by quickly contacted the Delhi police on a cell phone. The woman was given emergency care at a hospital in Delhi. She was flown to emergency care in Singapore, where she succumbed to her injuries on the 29th of December 2012. Meantime, on the 21st of December, 6 suspects, including the bus driver, were arrested. They have been charged with criminal offences. Those offences are now before the courts of India. A number of advocates, when asked to accept briefs for the accused, refused. Rightly, the Chief Justice of India appealed for them to be properly represented by the bar. Senior advocates of the Supreme Court of India immediately volunteered their services. No person in India or Australia is guilty by accusation or by media campaigns or even international outrage. Guilt is decided in independent courts and in accordance with law. Sadly, cases of this kind, so-called gang rapes, are well known in Australia and virtually all other countries. They're certainly not confined to India.